Hello friends, so welcome back to our new report that we have released for our Q4 earnings results play. This time we are covering 4 new stocks on the basis of which we will be suggesting what action to be taken based on the expectations of which the results are likely to come out, plus the technical check which we have done on those stocks. The 4 stocks are Idea, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and Maruti. First and foremost, let me take you to Idea. Now, Idea is likely to come out with the results today itself. We are expecting the company to deliver strong performance both in terms of the top line as well as the bottom line. We are expecting the PAT to grow by around 9% to around 220 crores for the company. And what we're expecting is because the top line to be much better because of the net additions in the subscriber base which have been at the higher end. At the same point of time, the margins are likely to be much better because of the operating efficiency the company has taken into. So overall net, the Idea looks definitely positive in terms of the results play.
Hi friends, let's have a look at the charts from the results perspective. Firstly, taking a look at Idea. If you look at the Idea chart setup with technicals in prospect, Idea has given a very steep correction from around 90 odd levels to 80 odd levels, and it has traded at 80 and with a low of 75.2. So going ahead, we feel that there is a demand zone in Idea between 78 and 80 and one can look to accumulate the stock between 78 80 with a stop loss at 75.2 for a target of 86 rupees and 89 rupees, which are the moving averages for the stock. 86 is the 8 days moving average and 89 is a 13 days moving average.
The other result is Axis Bank, where the results will be announced tomorrow, and we are expecting the company to deliver a PAT of growth of around 11% to 1135 crores. Overall, if you look at the past performances for Axis Bank, their company has delivered results which have been better than what the markets have been expecting. Even this time, we are expecting the results to be in line or much better than the expectations. For the last 5 occasions, the company has delivered superior performances in terms of the earnings, and this time we remain positive on the bank also.
Moving to the next stock, let's have a look at Axis Bank. Axis Bank, one can look to buy Axis Bank between 1080 and 1090 with a stop loss of 1056. If you look at the chart, Axis Bank also corrected around 10% in last 6 trading sessions. This gives a good opportunity to accumulate the stock at the lower levels with a stop loss of 1056 for a target of 1049 and 1085. Sorry, for a target of 1149 and 1185.
The next one is ICICI Bank, where the results will be announced tomorrow, and we are expecting the company to deliver a good performance with a PAT growing around 1,673 crores. And if you look at the NPAs, the company's NPAs for the last few quarters have also been decreasing from around 1.4% to around 0.83%. And this time also we are expecting the company to beat the forecast and the expectations that the market has built up, and we remain positive on that stock.
The third stock which we are covering today is ICICI Bank. We have seen that ICICI Bank is having a lower trending channel, and stock has not been able to breach that trend line which is lower sloping. So if ICICI breaks 840 levels, which is where we are seeing multiple supports coming in, then ICICI may move down by around 4 to 5%. Maybe one can target a level of 814 and 800. 800 will be 5% move on the lower side from 840. But one important thing to do in ICICI Bank is one has to go short only once it breaks 840 odd levels, which is a multiple support with a stop loss of 855.
Maruti is likely to come out with the results, and we're expecting the company to show a PAT of which will be around 20% down if we compare it on a year-to-year basis, but on quarter-to-quarter basis, it's going to increase by around 156%, which is likely to come out around 526 crores for the company. And if you look at the recent launches which the company has come out with, the new Swift Desire, the sales have been euphoric, and also at the same point of time the Ertiga, which they have launched recently, they have got a huge and a very good response from the market, where they have got 12,000 bookings in a span of only 6 days. So overall the view remains very positive for the stock fundamentally.
The last stock we are covering is Maruti Suzuki. In case of Maruti, the stock has a very strong support at around 1345 odd levels. It has also given a crossover on the higher side, that is 8 days moving average is above 13 days moving average. At 1380, Maruti is a buy idea with a stop loss of 1345, that is around 30-35 rupees, for a target of 1435 and 1455.
Thank you, friends, and this is what we have come out with the latest report. Now we will be also updating you on the other results that are going to come out possibly in next couple of days. Thanks a lot.